Good morning, students. Today we start chapter 9. How many times? Today we start our chapter 9. How many times of Genie book? So in chapter 9, practice questions 9a. Fill in the boxes. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So 2 3's are 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So 2 3's are 6. Now 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. So 3 4's are 12. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ones are 5. Okay. So 3 plus 3 equals to 6 means 2 times 3's are 6. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 12. So 3 times 4's are 12. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 5. So 5 ones are 5 times 1's 5. Okay. Rest all the question of practice questions 9a. Solve in your Genie book. Now next practice question 9b. Fill in the blanks using the multiplication tables of 7, 8, 9. Fill in the blanks using multiplication tables of 7, 8 and 9. So 7 multiplied by 6. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42. So write 42 in the blank. Now next 7 multiplied by 9. Again read the table of 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42. 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 4 is 20, 28. Question number D is 8 multiplied by 9. So read the table of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72. Okay. So fill the blanks using multiplication tables of 7, 8 and 9. Rest all the question of practice question 9a and b. Solve in your Genie book. Now, next practice question C. Find the product. So, 2 multiplied by 2. First, we multiply this, then we multiply like this. Means 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Now 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 3's are 6. 2 1 is 4, 2 2's are 4. So 2 2's are 4. Write 4 in the ones column. Then 2 3's are 6. So write 6 in the tens column. Now 4 multiplied by 2 multiply the following. Question number 2 is multiply the following. In this question, first we write in expanded form. 20 plus 5 multiplied by 30 plus 6. Okay. So first we multiply 20 and 30. So 20 multiplied by 30 equals to 600. 3 2s are 6 and double 0. Now step 1. Now in next blank 5 multiplied by 30. Okay. 5 multiplied by 30. 5 3s are 15 and 0. Now next is 20 multiplied by 6. 20 multiplied by 6. So 26 are 120. Now 5 multiplied by 6. 5 multiplied by 6 equals to 30. Okay. So solve question number 2. Multiply the following by this method. First you write in expanded form. Okay. Then first you multiply the tens digit 20 and 30 like this. Now in next column you multiply by digit at the ones place. So 20 multiplied by 6, 5 multiplied by 30 and then 5 multiplied by 6. So you have to do question number 2, multiply the following by this method. Okay. So practice 9C, rest all the question solve in your Genie book. Now next to practice question 9D is based on multiplying by tens and hundreds. Multiplying by tens and hundred. So first question is fill in the blanks. 12 multiplied by 40. So 12 multiplied by 4 equals to 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48. So 12 multiplied by 4, 48 and 0. Now 10 multiplied by 50. So 10 5 is 50 and one more 0. 9 multiplied by 600. So first we multiply 9 multiplied by 6. 9 6 are 54 and then double 0. Okay. First we multiply the numbers. Then if there is 1 0, so mention 1 0, 2 0. So we write here double 0. Now next is complete the following multiplication facts. So first is 10 multiplied by 14. So 14 1 14, 1 0 means 10 multiplied by 14 equals to 140. Now next is dash multiply blank multiplied by 30. So right here when we multiply 30 multiply by 30, so there is one more 0 means 10 multiplied by 30 equals to 300. Now next is blank multiplied by 7 equals to 700. So we write here 100. 100 multiplied by 7 equals to 700. Now next is 20 multiplied by blank equals to 800. So 20 multiplied by 4, so 80. So 20 multiplied by 40 equals to 800. Okay. So first we multiply the digit, then mention 0. In second question, we multiply, we check the multiplication fact. First we look the multiplication fact, then fill the blank. Okay. 10 multiplied by 14 equals to 140. Blank 10 multiplied by 30 equals to 300. 100 multiplied by 7 equals to 700. 20 multiplied by 40 equals to 800. Rest all the question of 9D solve in your Genie book. Now next practice question E is based on word problems. So our first question is Anu has 12 jars. Anu has 12 jars. Each jar contains 20 toffees. Anu has 12 jars and each jar contains 20 toffees. So how many toffees does Anu have? So she has 12 jars and each jar contains 20 toffees. So first we write here Anu has jar equals to 12. Each jar contains toffees 20. Anu have toffees. So 12 multiplied by 20 equals to 240. Anu has 12 jars. Each jar contains 20 toffees. So how many toffees does Anu have? So Anu has jars 12. Each jar contains toffees equals to 20. Now Anu have toffees. So 12 multiplied by 20 equals to 240. Now next is in a class there are 15 bags. In a class there are 15 bags and each bag has 12 books. So how many books are there in all? So number of bags 15. Each bag has books 12. Now next line is how many books are there in all. So we have to find out how many books are there in all, means total number of books. So 15 multiplied by 12 equals to 180. So there are 180 books. Okay. Our first question is Anu has 12 jars. Anu has 12 jars. Each jar contains 20 toffee. So total number of jar 12, and if each jar contains 20 toffees, so how many toffees does Anu have? So we have to find out total number of toffees. So 12 multiplied by 20 equals to 24. Now next is in a class there are 15 bags 12 books. So how many books are there in all? If one bag contains 12 books, so how many books are there in 15 bags? So 15 multiplied by 12 equals to 180. So there are 180 books. Okay? Write down this in your notebook and rest all the question of practice question 9E. Solve at home. Now we start our next chapter. Chapter 12. Can we share? So this is the chapter. Understand division from the context. Okay? Can we share? Practice question 12A. So first practice question is question number 1. P who has 15 straws. So first we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. So P who has 15 straws, she wants to make 5 groups of 3 straws. So she wants to make 5 groups of 3 straws. So group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. Okay? Now number of straws. In first blank, count the number of count and then write number of straws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total number of straws 15. They are divided in dash equal group. So they are divided in how many group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are divided in 5 equal groups. Now next question is, there are dash straws in each group. So how many straw in each group? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So how many straws? 3. Okay? P who has 15 straws, she wants to make 5 groups of 3 straws. So our first question is number of straws. Write here 15. They are divided in dash equal group. So 5. There are dash straws in each group. So write here 3. Okay. Now next question. Question number 2. Solve in your Genie book. Now next practice questions 12B is based on equal sharing. Okay. So question number 1 is, draw 15 stars in 3 clouds so that each cloud has an equal number of stars. So there are 3 clouds. So we have to draw equal 15 stars in 3 clouds. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now next is complete the following sentences. There are dash stars. So how many stars are there? We have to write total number of stars. 15. They are divided equally in dash cloud. So how many clouds? 3. Each cloud has dash stars. 5. So 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. Okay. Our question is draw 15 stars in 3 clouds so that each cloud has an equal number of stars. First 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15. Now complete the following sentences. There are dash stars. So we have to write down here total number of stars. 15. They are divided equally in dash clouds. 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. Each cloud has dash stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write here 5. So 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. Okay, write down this in your GD book. And next question number 2 also write down in your GD book. Now next practice question 12C is based on repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. So first question is divide by repeated subtraction. 27 minus 9. So 27 minus 9 equals to 18. 18 minus 9 equals to 9. 9 minus 9 equals to 0. So we subtract 9 from 27 how many times? 1, 2, 3. How many times we have to subtract till the answer 0? 27 minus 9 18. 18 minus 9 9. 9 minus 9 0. So how many times we subtract? 3 times. So 27 divided by 9 equals to 3. Okay. Rest all the question number 1 solved in your GD book. Now next question number 2. Divide on the number line. Divide on the number line. 15 divided by 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we 15 divided by 3 means we have to move 3 steps. So 15 or 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So how many times we skip? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. Now next question is 12 divided by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many times we skip 4? 1, 2, 3. So 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. Okay? In first question, divide by repeated subtraction. So we divide 9 from 27 till we get 0. Okay? So how many times we subtract? 1, 2, 3. So 27 divided by 9 equals to 3. Okay? Now next question, divide on the number line. So 15 divided by 3. So 1, 2, 3. 12. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we count how many times we skip? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. Now next question is 12 divided by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. How many times we skip 4? 3 times. So 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. Okay? Rest all the question of practice question C. Solve in your Genie book. Now next practice question 12D. Fill in the blanks. 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. And the multiplication fact is 5 3s are 15. Now next question is 42 divided by 6. So 6 7s are 42. And the multiplication fact is 7 6s are 42. Now next is Ritu has 28 apples. She divides these apples equally among 4 children. So how many apples does each child get? Write the division and the multiplication fact. So Ritu has apples equals to 28. Number of children equals to 4. Each child get, so 28 divided by 4. So 28 divided by 4 equals to 7. Each child get 7 apples. Okay? Each child gets 7 apples. Multiplication fact. 7 multiplied by 4 equals to 28. Okay? So our question is Ritu has 28 apples. She divides these apples equally among 4 children. How many apples does each child get? Write the division and the multiplication fact. So Ritu has apples 28. Number of children 4. Each child get 28 divided by 4. So 4 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 4 4 जा 16, 4 5 जा 20, 4 6 जा 24, 4 7 जा 28 means 28 divided by 4 equals to 7. So each child get 7 apples. Now the multiplication fact is 7 multiplied by 4 equals to 28. Okay. So now chapter number 12 and chapter number 9, complete all the practice questions in your Genie book at home, and word problems of chapter 9 and chapter 12 solve in your notebook. And thanks for watching this video. Bye.